Hey guys, so the last time that we spoke, I was in my other apartment. I am currently in my new apartment, and I am just super excited to pretty much start my life over. So I don't know if this is going to be a series or whatnot, but I'm just so happy to be able to share this with you guys. When I moved into this apartment, I pretty much didn't really have anything except the little light fixtures that you see in the background and my mattresses. I have nothing. So I am starting over from ground zero, and I think that it was time. I could have taken the stuff that I had with me before, but I had it for so long, and I was in that other apartment for 13 years. So I really wanted to start over fresh. I think at my age, being in my 40s, sometimes you can really stop and evaluate your life. And if you're not where you want to be, it can start to feel like a midlife crisis. But I feel like once you hit your 40s, that's when you really start living. That's when you really start making choices and the decisions that are going to be based off of your needs and not everybody else's, because you spend so much of your early 20s pleasing your friends, or not your early 20s, just your 20s in general. You spend a lot of time pleasing your friends and catering to them, curating your life to revolve around them. And then once you hit your 30s, then you kind of feel like, okay, I'm starting to gravitate towards things that I like. And by the time you hit your 40s, you really know yourself and who you are. And some people even feel like when you're in your 50s, that light bulb comes on. But I'm here to tell you, every situation is different. I don't feel like, even though I'm starting over with nothing, I don't feel bad about myself. I don't feel depressed. I feel like I am now, with every single piece of furniture that I choose, every carpet, every curtain, everything is going to be what I like. And I'm happy about that. And like I said, everybody's situation is different. There's some people who can afford to do these things in like their 20s, 30s, whatever. But for me right now, my life is just, I'm redesigning it the way that I want to live it. And I'm just really, really excited about it. I'm excited. I've already chosen my bed. I've chosen some other furniture. I'm getting my couch next week. So even though I'm starting over, this process is definitely moving along. And I'm very grateful to be able to afford to do these things. And they don't come without hard work, because trust me, I've been putting in overtime at my job so that I'm able to do some of this stuff, and this process moves very quickly. I'm probably going to have my housewarming in like November. I'm giving myself 3 months to really deep dive and decorate and do all the things that I want to do and get this space to where I want to invite people into my world. And so I'm gonna just kind of show you really quickly the apartment that I chose. So this is before I had anything in here. So when you first walk into the door, there is the kitchen. Now the kitchen is my favorite part, because I can cook. I like the fact that this kitchen has stainless steel appliances, because if you live in South Carolina, you know a lot of the apartments that are offered do not have stainless steel appliances unless you're going for luxury. And then luxury ain't even luxury, baby. It is just something they've thrown together. There's 2 full bathrooms, and one I'm super obsessed with because the mirror is so big, much bigger than my other apartment, and I can create content in this bathroom, and I'm excited about it because I really like it. And then the first bedroom, this is not the master bedroom, even though this bedroom is way bigger than the actual master bedroom. But this is going to be my content room, and I'm excited. I like the way the wall just kind of goes back, and I get like that really homely feeling here. I also love that the closet, oh my gosh, the closet space is amazing. And then it does have like a washer dryer connection. I typically go to the washer rack to wash my clothes, just because I just like that. When I like to wash my comforters and stuff, and I like to have like a big washing machine to do that with. So that is just what works for me. But it does have the dryer connection, and I'm going to use that as like a storage closet for like vacuums and mops and brooms and stuff. And then my actual bedroom has so much light. My last apartment had a really tiny window, and the bed frame blocked most of the windows. So I like the fact that this apartment has a lot of lighting. That is what I was going for when I chose this apartment. I wanted tons of natural light because, well, when you are vlogging, your quality of your content has to be up to par, and I didn't feel like I really had that at my other place. And then this apartment does have a balcony, which is very spacious, and I have such great ideas when it comes to putting like the fake grass and creating my own little serene area with plants. And oh my gosh, I have so many ideas. So yeah, this is our new home. I'm excited to share it with you. Thank you guys so much for following me on this journey. And if you're starting your life over at any age, it really doesn't matter. You can be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Hell, you can be 70 and 80 and you still got time, baby. But it's okay to start over at any point. And it's okay. It's okay if you're not where you want to be. Just as long as you're working towards that goal, it's going to happen. And don't compare your life to other people on social media, because you don't know their struggles, and their time is going to be their time. Your time is going to be your time. Can't nobody take your time away from you. So, just don't feel like you are a failure or anything, because in life, we all have different journeys, and it might take you a little bit longer to get to where you want to be. I said that to say I'm excited to take you guys along this journey with me. We gonna get it popping. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, because baby, we gonna be decorating. And I might even get some of you guys input too, since you're my online family, and we could decorate this thing together. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.